is about the webinar is Spice Up Your Projects with Google Apps. So are you familiar with Google Apps? Yes, great. What kind of Google Apps do you use? Sort of, yes? Do you use Google Drive? Do you use Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms? Great. Yes, Lilia, thank you. Sveltana too. Slides as well. Great. Hello, Sveltana. Drive too, yeah. Google Drive as well. Good. So here we have sketch note about ways to prepare for the dark side of technology. By the way, I had a problem yesterday with technology and I did not update my Adobe Connect, and that's why I couldn't join you. So a way to avoid this is to be fluid. So as you see the sketch note, yeah, Google Drive as well, Nada, thank you. So we facilitate connections rather than conversations. We loosen processes to embrace flows. We use a small and fast real-world experiments. We inspire a culture of learning and critical thinking, and we design for empathy and emergence. Okay. So why Google Drive? Why do you use Google Drive? Could you jot down some ideas? Why do you use Google Drive? Yes? Hedia is typing. Thank you. Collaboration. Yes. Okay. We use Google Drive because it is a safe repository. You could save all your documents online without being afraid that it could be attacked by a virus. It could foster online collaboration. Thank you, Hedia. That's great. And it could boost also creativity. And it is for real. Yeah, you could save your documents there. Great, Nada. So it's good for real-time connection. You know that we can use Google Hangouts. Okay. We could use also all types of Google apps in order to collaborate online. So it's time saving, by the way. It could save a lot of time for teachers, for students, for eTwinners as well. And we could publish on the spot. If I have or I worked on any kind of presentations online, I could publish it on the spot on my blog, or I could help students to publish all their work on the spot online. So it is accessible online. It is also available on mobile phones, so I can access all my documents via the mobile phone. Next one. Why are we going to use Google Apps, or why are they important? because as you see in this kind of image or picture, it's favorable for collaboration, creativity. It boosts critical thinking and connection. So every one of us uses Google Apps in all our projects. Now, how can we start by using Google Apps? First of all, we should have a Gmail account, okay? And we log into our Drive, we create docs, we create slides, we create forms, and we share content with our partners and students. So we work collaboratively on a final draft, for example, of a poem, of an ebook. We could have a list of topics to work on, a calendar of meetings to agree on. So we could work creatively also by add-ons. Add-ons make your virtual experience spicy. Have you ever used add-ons on Google Drive? Could you please type your answers? Did you use add-ons? No? Okay. Hedia, thank you, Hedia, for answering. What about you, Fadwa, Alma? Okay, Alma, you did not use Nada? Okay. I'm going to show you just a tip how to use add-ons. Thank you, Sveltana, for answering. Good. Lilia, Maria, Fadwa is typing. Yes. Good evening, Fadwa. Thank you for joining us. It's really great to see you, my colleague here. Okay. Then we have, okay, here I'm going to explain to you what are the add-ons. Thank you, Fadwa. So we just log in our Google Drive. And for example, this is a Google Doc. And as you see in the presentation, we have the icon add-ons. Okay. I could just click on the add-ons and then I have a list of add-ons. Do you see? This is the list of add-ons they've added on my Google Docs. We have charts, easy bibliography creator, a highlight tool, a pro writing aid, a table of contents, and word cloud generator. And I can get more add-ons and I can manage my add-ons. Okay. I'm going to show you more about the add-ons. For example, if you click on the add-ons, you will see that you have a list of things, of apps to use. You have business tools, education tools, productivity tools, social and communication tools, and other utilities. For example, for teachers of languages, you could use Thesaurus. You know what's Thesaurus? Have you got any idea about Thesaurus? Would you please type? Thesaurus is a no. Okay. Maybe for teachers of languages, they know that Thesaurus is a dictionary of synonyms. Okay. We have another add-on here. We have easy accents, etc. So I can show you more about. So if I just click on the word on the search here, okay. I'm gonna add charts to my yes, it's thank you, Lilia. That's a dictionary. Thank you. So I'm gonna just click or type the word chart on the add-on search. Okay, and I might have or I might find a lot of add-ons to add. So I have charts, I have glyphy diagrams, revision history, analytics. So I've added charts to my Google Doc. And that was really very helpful for me as a teacher and as a eTwinner to create charts out of a spreadsheet and insert it in the right document. So I can use add-ons a lot. I have other add-ons that I added, like Easy Bibliography Creator. Hello, thank you, Tatiana. Is that your name? Please, could you pronounce it for us? Could you just spell it to us? Thank you for joining us. Then we have more add-ons to add. For example, I really found it very useful to add the word cloud generator. Are you familiar with word cloud generators? Yes, thank you, Alma. So instead of creating word clouds on a separate place or a separate site like Tagul or Wordle, I can just add the add-ons, the word cloud generator on the Google Drive. Okay, just add it to my Google Docs or my Google Slides, and it would really look very exciting and thrilling for both teachers, for both students, for both partners to create highly powerful word clouds, and you can change colors, you can change the size, and you drop words, and you can even download them. So that's really very useful for teachers and for students. It makes the document more appealing to the learners and to the teachers and to the partners as well. Okay, next one. You could just type the word image to, and you could find a lot of add-ons. I can just add or install the Settlemage size like this one. It's free, by the way. All of them are free. You have the Open Clip Art. There are more add-ons available on Google Drive. Okay. For example, this one is for charts. I showed this to you beforehand. And we have this one is Word Cloud Generator. Do you see the number of users of Word Cloud Generator? We have 185,000 and more users of this Word Cloud Generator. We have, you could insert images as well, as I said. Okay, this one. Then we have a DocuSign. A DocuSign is an electronic signature. I can just install this add-on, and it could be a nice extension for my my Gmail. When I send an address, I could just personalize my signature, and that would be really interesting for us to make electronic signatures in our emails. Okay. Then we have the resume or the CV template builder. So you, in order to build your CV, your curriculum vitae, or you could just suggest for your students to create CVs and find out that this tool help. Yeah, a new one. Thank you, Lilia. Okay, it could help a lot, especially in projects. Okay, Pixabay free images as well. So you have 4,359 users. So you could find images and you could insert them. Just type cat. That's an image of a cat. Okay. Then we have Easy Clip Art. So you can find all types of add-ons. So it could be according to your own search, according to your own purpose or the goal of your. Okay. What about GIFs or Explore? Okay, you could find all that interactive images that you can find online. Okay, then we have the Open Clip Art. Then we have Rhyme Finder. If you are writing a poem and you are inviting your partners to write with you that kind of poem or to collaborate with you, you could use Rhyme Finder. It will help you a lot in finding the right rhyme. It will give you suggestions for your poems, for your students' poems. So this would make the job of the teacher as well as the student very helpful. Okay, then we have the teacher rubric. In order to create rubrics for your own projects, this could help you a lot. Okay, then we have, I'm just trying to to post to you some of the add-ons that could be helpful to you. But by the way, there are plenty of add-ons you could search for according to the goal of your search, according to your aim in mind. You can find a lot of other add-ons that could be very helpful for you. Okay, this one is really interesting. Table of contents. Why is it interesting? Could you please post down some of your answers? Could you guess why is this add-on interesting for teachers as well as for students? Yeah, hello. Could you hear me? Okay. Yeah, to keep our material. Yes, Lilia, what do you mean by keeping our material? So table of contents, where do we usually find the table of contents? Fadwa, Lamia, Loretta, Maria, Alma. In books, excellent, Nada. Thank you. So if you, yeah, Fadwa is writing. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Excellent. Yes. Yeah. So if you're writing for organizing, excellent. Thank you, Petra. So if you are writing a story, a collaborative story, so it could help you a lot with the table of contents. It could organize all your material without even getting any trouble in doing that. Okay, especially if your students, if you make your students familiar with these add-ons, that would make the work lighter for them. Good. We move on to the next slide. Lucid chart. Could you think, just or guess or predict from the picture you have what could be this add-on useful for? Yes, diagrams. Thank you, Petra. That's it. Thank you. Planning. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you. Brainstorming. Very good, Fadwa. So that's really very important in drawing diagrams, in drawing, in brainstorming, in planning. So we could, I could start as an eTwinner a diagram and ask my partner to try to continue drawing that diagram, to invite her student to finish that diagram, or to finish the chart, etc. Okay. By the way, yes, organigrams as well. Thank you, Nada. So by the way, there are a lot of types of charts or types of diagrams to use. And as you see, a huge number of people are using this kind of add-on. So we have 671,000 users. Okay, then we have a highlight tool. Okay, as an eTwinner, I could use this add-on to highlight words for my students, to look for I don't know, definitions in the dictionary, and then share this text or share this story with the students of my partners, and we together could highlight more words, etc. So we could use it creatively in some projects. That could be a lot of help for eTwinners. Okay. Now we have EasyBib, so I showed this one before. Now we have, by the way, before ending this presentation, okay, in 10 minutes, I think, I'd like just to share with you some tips and sites for extra inspiration. By the way, Alice Keeler, I don't know, Keeler is one of the very let's say dynamic teachers. Hello, Rovana. Thank you for joining us. Okay. And she's sharing a lot of tips about Google Drive and using Google Apps and projects and everything. So I've just added some links for you. They could be a lot of help for every one of you. Okay, we have Eric Curtis as well. Eric Curtis is an American guy, and he's sharing a lot of tips. Thank you, Ravana. We are so happy you're here. And I'm so sorry that's the end of the session. In let's say in 8 minutes we're gonna finish. But by the way, I'm sharing this document with you. You could get it. And if you have any questions, you could ask us. You could, and I can just type my email for you. And I can send you all the documents for every one of you. Okay. I'm just typing my email. Okay. You could type, by the way, we could, thank you, Hedia. Yes, by the way, we could share our emails together. Here is a start for knowing each other. We could be, we don't know, we could work on projects together. We could work on webinars together. That would be my pleasure as a teacher from Tunisia. That's really great to work with every one of you. Thank you, Hedia. I don't know if you use eTwinner. I'm sorry, if you use Twitter. Do you use Twitter? By the way, this is my handle, Twitter. Okay. Okay, this is my handle of Twitter. If you have Ravana, that's really a good. I don't know, but thank you, Lamia, too, for posting your email. By the way, using Twitter for me as a teacher and as an eTwinner is more important than using Facebook. I don't know, but I find a lot of tips, and you follow great people like, as I said, Alice Keeler and Eric Curtis, and you follow their blogs, and you can find a lot of information about Google Apps, using them in your projects. Thank you, Ravana. Thank you. Carmen, Alma, okay, Lilia, Loretta. Thank you, Fadwa. Okay. So next page we have, so as I said, for more inspiration, check at Alice Keeler and at Eric Curtis. Both of them are on Twitter, and they're really very helpful in terms of using add-ons. I don't know if this, okay, webinar, how do you find this webinar? Did you really get profit from? Did you get new ideas or not? Please be honest. Just say it. Okay. Did you really find? Thank you, Fadwa. So kind. Thank you, Alma. You're so kind too. Thank you so much. As I said, thank you, Lamia. As I said, I'm really so sorry for yesterday. I did not get the chance to meet you yesterday. That was really very sad for me. Thank you, Lilia. Thank you, Nada. Thank you so much. If any one of you wanna talk, thank you, Hedia. If any one of you wanna talk, I can share my. I can give you the microphone. Would you like to talk? Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Sveltana. Thank you, Hedia. Yes, of course. I will send you the presentation. By the way, just send me an email. Thank you. Thank you, Loretta. By the way, just send me an email on my email. I'm going to send you the presentation. By the way, I have a blog, and that's TESOL Convention 2012, blogspot.com. And I have a Facebook page, which is Be an eTwinner. Okay. And by the way, just like our eTwinning Tunisie Facebook page. Thank you, Ravenna. Thank you, Loretta. So I hope you would use add-ons from now on, and it will make you make your projects more spicy. By the way, you could share your calendar, your Google Calendar with your friends, and add meetings on that calendar. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Petra. Thank you very much. I'm really pleased to meet you today, and I hope we'll have more meetings to come. So we will meet again. Nada, Petra, thank you, Hedia. Thank you, Fadwa. Thank you, Lamia. Nice of you. It's okay, Carmen. I hope we will meet again, Carmen. Okay? Thank you very much, Fadwa. Thank you so much. It's a great pleasure to meet you here. Thank you, bye, and good luck, Loretta. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, Carmen, please. Hello, Sausan. Yes, Carmen, please. Goodbye, Nada. Thank you. Carmen, please send me an email. I'm gonna just type my email again, okay? And please send me an email, and I'm gonna send you the presentation. By the way, I'm gonna share it online with you. That would be helpful for everyone. Yeah, I'm gonna share it today on all the eTwinner groups, okay? I'm gonna share it today. You could send me an invitation on Facebook. Here is my name, my full name. By the way, I'm Fetan Ramdani. Sausan, just send me an email, please, okay? Thank you. You're really kind. Okay. Thank you, Hadia. It was a pleasure seeing you here today. Thank you, Carmen. Thank you, Sausan. Have a nice evening. Thank you. You're so kind. Okay? Good night, everyone, and I hope to meet you again. Have a nice evening. Thank you, Carmen. You're really kind. You too. Bye-bye. Okay? Gonna just stop the recording right now. Bye, Carmen. Bye, everyone. You're really so kind. Thank you. Hope to meet you soon. Thank you, Iman. Good night. Thank you, Marta. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Alma. Thank you.